I accidentally pressed it. So wait. Trade. I am using gravity fruit. This is one of my future videos. And also, if you see someone, their title is Beast Hunter. If you see my name creation with Beast Hunter, the title is Beast Hunter. That's me, guys. Because my title is Beast Hunter. Come on, guys. You know. Oh, sorry guys, but I didn't show you. I have a new gun. See, it's the Blizzard rifle. Here's what does it do. Here's what it look like, and it look like a portal gun. See? Oh, if you're wondering, guys, how did I meant to get gravity fruit? I just begged someone. What the heck? Someone keeps saying I love. Well, that's strange. I never heard someone say that in this place. See? Because I don't own it. Please don't comment. I own this fruit. I'll show you the truth. Now believe me, I don't own the permanent. And if you're wondering how much mastery, 313. If you're wondering how did I get this, I didn't lag for a while. You know why am I screaming like that? Because Portal isn't stuck right now. Fruit is one of the stuck fruits, and also sand, and first of all, the first creature stuck is Portal. The next fruit might be sand and flame, and no common fruits on stock. If I keep saying I love, is he saying something? So guys, you better realize my level because I need 2,000 fragments. I'll show you guys what are my valuables. Here's the mystic drop link. I don't know what does it do. Maybe I'll show you. I'll give you a little showcase of my M1 of the moves. Here's the M1. Sorry guys, but it's upgraded. See, like this. See, and now we have singularity, and now shooting star. If I press it again, like that, and here's another one, guys. And also, it has a blight and also a move. Look at this, guys. Look, see? And now, that is all Bino waiting for. Gravitational prison. And this is orbital chain do. What the heck? See? That is the orbital do. Orbital chain do. So guys, time for my final move, which is I need to fly. So, asteroid crash. You know what's about to happen, right? There's an asteroid coming to Earth. Let's see? A gigantic one. So guys, I've been vlogging videos. I don't know when I joined this place. So here's a showcase how to find. Remember guys, look. Once you see like in the sky like that, it means someone did the asteroid crash. Like somewhere random. What the heck? This guy keeps saying Iron Rush. I love. Bro, why is he keep saying I love? See that? If you see that in the air, guys, it means someone has planned a meteor attack. Like that. Oh, wait. Are you sure? I'm not sure if somebody already friend request me. But I just made my first subscriber. Sorry guys, but I didn't block it. So sorry. Cause right now, I am going to trade someone like him. See? I need my bounty a little bit higher like Loopy. As Bro's bounty is way too over high. You cannot even kill him. He's the most strongest pirate. Admiral. Oh, don't mind what I said, guys. So, what is his offering? Add. Portal. So, I don't really need. What the heck? Bro's giving me shadow or something. Let me just teleport there. And also, guys. Wow. Why? I'll show you all of my treasure. Oh, and also, I did a giveaway. Which is I didn't like. I just made my subscriber. So, I unfriended him. So, I unfriended my subscriber. Because I unfriended my subscriber. But he was a friend to me. Because, you know why I unfriended him, guys? He were cool. What is this guy? Sorry guys, if I go look at my title, guys. Guys, zoom in, so screenshot it, and look at that title. Can you read it, guys? It said Beast Hunter. Why does this guy say I love the heck? What is that? What type of sentence is bro trying to say? We cannot understand him. So guys, if you're wondering which island do I live in Curse Ship. So we must see Beast Hunter. That's always my title. Since I killed the sea beast, I would ask someone randomly to raid. What's to raid? Who wants to raid? Yeah, guys, I need 2,000. What is this guy? Wow! A bounty hunter. Chill, guys. So you already know my level. So right now, I cannot ask someone for a raid. Cause I don't need to raid. What are they saying? Raid. Oh my god. Look at this. just like meteors right now. Came from the sky. I don't know why. So what the heck? That's a big one. Well,
Wala ko yung may maximum niya.
yung alin?
15 minutes per
Akala ko humahaba.
15 minutes per
Hindi dada, humaba yung isa kong video. Yung pinakauna kong video dada.
Nai-send mo ba?
Ha?
Sa YouTube.
Opo, yung alin?
Yung in-upload yung vlog mo.
Yung this is my future video.
Oo.
Ay, hindi na pa-release dada. Oops. Don't mind what I'm saying, guys. I would not do a face reveal yet. I don't know. So, you better be subscribed to me, guys, because I'm gonna about to do a giveaway. The mega giveaway. You know, guys, like, the heck? Those are actually helping me, eh? I'm just killing Orbitus. This guy won't let me. So, how does he can switch to? Come on, stun him. Yo, what? I'm always hunting some boss. Cause, what are these meteors for? Raid. No. Oh yeah, too kind, bro. No. It's a meeting. The heck? What is the chat saying? Like this guy. He keeps saying, I love. He said it 4 times. A bunch of times. I don't like the time when people always say that. It's making me freak out. I don't know what is even happening to this cringe server. Ballerina Cappuccina. Tung sahur. No, I was asleep. Oh, I forget. Guys, today I'm gonna about to do in one of my future videos. I'm gonna about to do some giveaway to my lucky. Just comment down your username and just comment down your username, guys. If you comment your username in the comments, I am picking all of you guys. I am gifting some pens, like whatever their dream fruit is. I don't know, guys. Maybe their dream fruit is quite expensive. I'm not ready for this giveaway. Because since I give one of my pens a fruit. So guys, just comment down your username and I would unfriend them, because if I invite you guys, you must join already, because it means I'm gonna about to roll a fruit. Come on, bro. I need a heart, bro. I came from ice. Come on, who wants to raid? What type? Luck. You have done nothing for us, right? So you're a mysterious scientist? What type of raid? Normal. Select a raid term. What are the bars? Flame and ice. Looks pretty fine. Select a raid term. 2 to 5. Oh, sorry guys, I'm just voice acting it. How could it be more than what the heck? To raid. Nah, bro, guys. Nobody wants to raid in this server. All these chats are so cringe. See? All of these servers always cringe, guys. Hacker. What was that? Oh. I need 2,000, guys. All these chats are so cringe. Come on, guys. Oh, what the heck? What was that? Nah, guys. Me. Me. Dun. So, guys. Come on. Why does everyone, if everyone buys from Haba, I will. From Haba, I'm the only customer buys from Haba. What the hell? What the heck? Come on, my bro. Yeah. Me. Oh man, I want to do this, but hello. What in the world was saying that? Yep. Ballerina cappuccino. Hello, Lem. Huh? Hello. Love you. Come on. Ice.
Nagbablog siya, B.
Stop. I am doing a video. Ice. Type of raid. Speak something. A type of raid. Come on. everyone buys from Haba, I will buy.
Ang lalaki ng mga ngipin ni so
Yep, everyone's nonsense in the server. What are you looking at?
Mommy nonsense.
No, everyone in the server.
hindi naman ako ang sinasabi niya eh, yung pinapanood niya.
Tinitingnan ka niya na.
Come on, guys. Why is no one answering? Yep, everyone's. What the? How do I change? How do I move this?
Gumagawa siya ng video eh.
Whatever. Hello, guys. So all of these guys are so cringe. They make nonsense or something. Ooh, chess. Physical chess.
Hindi kasi sila marunong mag-English. O I love daw.
Nonsense yun dati. Parang nonsense
Yung
yun.
hindi marunong mag-English.
Ballerina cappuccina? Bro, that's Italian brain rot.
O Englishin mo sila na. Ayan na. If nobody boys.
Haba. I will be his customer.
Buy.
La, ito na naman. Nonsense talaga yung server na yun, Dada. Nonsense. Hello, guys. Everyone's nonsense in the server. So guys, I'm going to server hop because of the server. Everyone keeps
Babe, pinanood mo ba yung isinare ko sa'yo na
Super Phoenix.
tatay ko, asawa ko?
Hindi.
What are they talking
Panoorin mo,
about?
maganda yun.
Nah, I'm going
Ayaw
to
ko yung mga
server hop.
ganun, B.
I love server hopping.
Hindi ko ano yun.
God.
Nandidiri ako. Naiinis
That
na
hurt.
ako. Makpakikuha yung lotion.
Where is that?
Yes, ma'am.
Epic.
Yung rape na, nagigigil na ako.
What? Is this the one?
Thank you na.
So stop all the nonsense. I hope this server is nice.
So she is already one of the respondents at mag-undergo po siya ng preliminary investigation. So yung pag-take into custody po natin sa kanya nung Saturday is nga po, upon coordination nga po, since
Wants to
Sunday
rate,
po kahapon, so
Wala ka pang kasama dyan,
nangyari po yung immigration inquest proceeding po. So, legal custody po ay under po sila ng EID po.
Yan na si Ann.
Tralalero, tralala.
Parang dami kong ano.
As far as the kidnapping of
Tralalero, tralala. Crocodilo, crocodila. Tralalero, tralala. Crocodilo, crocodila.
User po nitong ransom money, kung matatandaan niyo po, based po
Lock
sa
up their
Facebook
draw.
ng Anti-Money Laundering Council.
Bro,
at ACT,
I'm a beast hunter.
Nagpasalin-salin po itong pera po na itong ransom using the
Why did everyone almost disappear, bro?
junket operation, with yung junket operators, which is the 9 Dynasty.
Everyone look like they disappeared.
Nagpasalin-salin po yan doon sa kanilang mga players until such time na nailipat po ito as cryptocurrency po. May 205,000 US dollars po. Naka-freeze na po yan.
Tralalero,
And then nakausap po si
tralala.
General Yang, yung director po ng
Crocodilo,
ECG, and according to
crocodila.
him, the AMLAC po already coordinated money pass through doon sa isang account po na e-wallet po, particularly yung U1 account po na based po sa Cambodia na ito pong U1 account po na ito, U1 account po na ito ay sinabi na po natin before na imbestigahan na po ito based on sa ating operational research ay naimbestigahan na po ito ng US government for involvement, for possible involvement po sa money laundering. So, account po na based po sa Cambodia na ito pong U1 account po na ito, U1 account
Tama
po na
na
ito
na.
ay sinabi na
Tama
po
na
natin
yan.
before na
Five.
ito based doon sa open
Why?
sources po natin sa
Why do I have to?
research ay naimbestigahan
Tanggalin
po
na.
ito ng
Mawawala
US
na yung
government
memory niyan.
for possible
What?
involvement po sa money
Why?
laundering. So,
Wayway ka.
nagaganap na po ang
Sinabi nang mawawala yung
makausap po natin
memory
itong
card
U1.
niyan.
So that we
Mapupul
know
agad.
kung sino po
So, bye, guys.